The transition to electric vehicles, EVs, is critical in addressing environmental concerns and reducing dependence on fossil fuels. Governments worldwide recognize this urgency and have implemented various incentives to encourage the adoption of EVs. These incentives span financial incentives, infrastructure development, regulatory measures, and public awareness campaigns. Here's a detailed overview. Many governments offer rebates or tax credits to individuals purchasing EVs. These rebates can significantly reduce the upfront cost of buying an electric vehicle, making them more financially appealing. Tax credits or deductions are often provided to EV buyers, reducing their tax liability. This incentivizes consumers to choose electric vehicles over traditional internal combustion engine vehicles. Some regions implement a ZEV credit system where automakers are required to produce a certain percentage of electric or zero-emission vehicles. These credits can be traded or sold, providing financial incentives for automakers to produce more EVs. Governments may waive or reduce vehicle registration fees for electric vehicles, further lowering the total cost of ownership. Governments invest in the development of charging infrastructure by providing grants to businesses and municipalities for installing EV charging stations. This helps alleviate range anxiety and encourages EV adoption by ensuring adequate charging infrastructure. Governments may establish public charging networks or partnerships with private entities to expand the availability of charging stations in urban areas, along highways, and in other strategic locations. Governments set stringent emission standards, incentivizing automakers to produce more electric vehicles to meet these regulations. Some regions impose higher taxes on vehicles with higher emissions, while EVs may be exempt or subject to lower taxes, making them more attractive to consumers. Zero-emission vehicle mandates require automakers to sell a certain percentage of electric or zero-emission vehicles in their fleet. Non-compliance may result in penalties, encouraging automakers to invest in EV production. Governments conduct public awareness campaigns to educate consumers about the benefits of electric vehicles, dispel myths, and address concerns regarding range, charging infrastructure, and battery life. Governments may incentivize the electrification of public transportation fleets, taxis, and other commercial vehicles to showcase the benefits of EVs and accelerate adoption. The transition to electric vehicles is essential for combating climate change and reducing air pollution. By supporting government incentives for EV adoption, you're not only contributing to a cleaner and healthier environment, but also saving money in the long run. Like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest developments in electric vehicle technology and government initiatives supporting sustainable transportation. Together, we can drive towards a greener future.